Basil and Jaden at Unique Geek. They will fix your electronics. Like, bam! They'll get it done. They get it done. Just, boom, and you go in, and it's done. Anyways, Unique Geek, cool folks. Excellent. One in Northwest Indiana. I mean, Valparaiso, Indiana, and the surrounding communities. I think they have 4 stores. They're called Unique Geek. Unique Geeks. Oh, makes you want to hang out. And you know the work's getting done. And they're calling you and keeping you in touch with everything's going on. So if you need your computer fixed, your laptops, your phones, they fix phones super quick. Like, bam! They'll get it done. They get it done. Just, boom, and you go in, and it's done. Anyways, there it is. Unique Geek in Valparaiso, and I think HEBRAN and a couple other places in that area. Check them out. Good, honest guys. Across from the tire barn, you have a beautiful place. This is called Tech Repair. Unique Geek is a fantastic place to get your cell phones fixed. This is the place to go in Valparaiso to get any electronics worked on and fixed. Basil and Jalen are truly honest businessmen. Come on in. This is the Professor Blue review for your educational enjoyment. Don't forget to recycle.